The 2025 Legislators Forum for Friendly Exchanges has officially opened in Xinjiang, and I'm about to meet one special delegate. Over the past couple of days, we have visited beautiful places in Xinjiang's Ili. So I want to ask you, what is your impression of Xinjiang so far?
I was truly surprised by the high level of development in Xinjiang. And the special impression was visiting your companies here. We were visiting some company who is producing gloves, the high quality gloves for construction workers.
Yeah.
And also we visited a company who is making lavender based products. So I was impressed by all of them, by their dedication, professionalism and technology they use, which was something I have never seen before. And of course, at the same moment, I saw many minorities, many ethnic groups, many ethnic communities living together and respecting each other and being included in political and social life. Serbia and China are true friends, and they have mutual respect, understanding and trust. And Xinjiang, with its rich culture, tradition, languages, diversities, and everything is similar to what we have in Serbia. So we can use that to bring people even closer. Xinjiang is a very important crossroads of Belt and Road initiative. It's already becoming a new hub of connection between East and West, which provides many opportunities for trade, for transport, logistics and investment. And for Serbia, which is in heart of Balkans and Europe, Xinjiang can be a new bridge to China. Talking more about the future where our nations grow together and support one another, which is, I think, very important, especially now in this world.